These mirrors are specifically engineered for Jeep Wrangler JL, JLU, and Gladiator JT models from 2018 to 2023, providing a safe and legal viewing solution when driving with the doors removed. The innovative quick-release mounting system allows for a swift, tool-free installation and removal using a simple hand-tightened knob, which is incredibly convenient for frequent door changes. A streamlined heavy-duty metal construction ensures these mirrors remain stable and free from vibration, even at highway speeds, offering a clear and steady view of the road behind you. Unmatched adjustability is achieved through a multi-joint design, allowing for complete 360-degree rotation and precise positioning of the mirror head for a perfect viewing angle. An integrated 23mm metal ball head cleverly provides a sturdy mounting point for the included phone holder, adding valuable functionality to the vehicle's dashboard area. The entire assembly, weighing nearly 6 pounds, is finished with a durable, corrosion-resistant coating that protects against rust and ensures a long service life in various weather conditions.